Well, we are at creepy vending machine corner. I'll try and get a few shots of this place on the glasses. Some really bizarre stickers and stuff, yeah. The usual normal drinks. Nice graphics. I cannot tell what they are in the top there. If anybody wants to comment and knows what they are, let me know. So there's some weird stuff written on boxes that you can buy. Don't know if you can read those. When my friend Kato was in 6th grade, he was riding a bicycle with a sex doll and was chased by a police car. I had owned the, can't read some of that, Antarctic #2 sex doll for a long time. It's mental. Another box here. I was a virgin when I went to a baseball stadium in Kentucky, America. A South American girl was selling hot dogs and she had big breasts and a great figure. My hot dog was about to ejaculate and so did I in the toilet. This is just really mental stuff, this. We were 3 idiots walking around Shibuya crossing with our butts exposed and we were spotted by a policeman and severely scolded at the police box. I've actually done another version on the Osmo Pocket, but I'll give you a version here on the glasses so you can get a POV of it. Right, there's some dodgy things happened in here with the tourists. I don't know what half of these are, what they're selling here. Could be it's a fortune vending machine. Bottles of sweets. Stairs leading to nowhere. I wonder what happens up there. It's definitely interesting here, I'll tell you that. And there's another box there. a disgrace to Japan. In a brothel in Tsushima, a mother abandoned her 12-year-old daughter and a brothel owner had sexual intercourse with her. These are terrible things, these. I'll let you read the rest of yourself because I feel a bit weird reading these out. It's very bizarre. Another one there. Men and women alike, never forget reason when it comes to the lower body. Adultery and having an affair will lead you to hell. Well,